Hopefully I don't fucking stall. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Go. Oh. Fuck.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and remove the little muffler this bike has, just to see how it sounds. Might think of buying a there's one on Amazon for like $60. It's pretty cheap, but it'll make it sound a little louder. So we're gonna go ahead and get that removed, and then we'll see how it sounds. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so we removed it. See that there's nothing but pipe. There she is. Hold on.